Hi and welcome to the Instagram Marketing Masterclass course. My name is Robin and I've been successfully teaching digital marketing and business skills to hundreds of thousands of people since 2017 with my dear friend Jesper.
That's me, and together we spent the last couple of years working non-stop to produce the most complete course on Instagram marketing that we're now so happy to introduce to you. Now this course includes over 6 hours of video content taught in a step-by-step style, including templates, exercises, assignments, and so much more.
It's designed to take you from a complete beginner with little or no followers to an Instagram marketing professional with high-level skills to build a targeted audience, get more sales, and get a job as a professional marketer. You will learn all the necessary skills such as setting up a professional Instagram account for businesses and optimizing it for sales. You will also learn how to grow your audience by creating valuable content and using contests to have your audience create content for you. Then you'll get specific training and tactics to master your marketing with reels, posts, stories, and going live. This includes over 40 Instagram content strategies that you can start implementing right away. And as a bonus, you will also learn expert skills such as sales psychology and copywriting to drastically improve your marketing results. By scrolling down on this page, you will see the entire curriculum of what's included.
This is the only course that you need to learn everything to become a professional Instagram marketer. And we've got thousands of happy students with the results to prove it. Now just take a look at Antonio, for example, who says, "There's a lot of valuable information, even more than expected, but was exactly what I was looking for." Or Tulu, who says, "Very comprehensive and practical step-by-step on how to set up and operate a successful Instagram account. I'm utilizing the knowledge gained already." Or Caesar, who says, "Amazing course, give it a try, you won't regret it."
This course is 100% beginner friendly. You don't need any experience with Instagram whatsoever to get started. We'll teach you everything you need to know step by step from a complete beginner all the way to becoming a professional. So instead of spending thousands of dollars on smaller and more expensive Instagram courses or taking in-person training or expensive degrees where you'll have to take time off of work, with this course you get instant access to over 6 hours of video material that has years of collected knowledge behind it and thousands of happy students to prove it.
But that's not all. When you enroll in this course, you'll get all future updates included for free, so you'll always stay on top professionally. Like Omar says, "Now I feel much more comfortable with Instagram." So what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course today, risk-free, and find out why over 3,000 people have chosen the most complete Instagram marketing course on Udemy. And remember that you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you'll get premium support on all your questions within 24 hours, Mondays through Fridays. So if you are ready to take your Instagram marketing to the next level, we'll see you inside the course.